Now look, I know there's all sorts of offers at this time of the year on Black Friday, but believe me, nothing beats the $1 Black Friday bundle. Because what we're offering you with this product is the opportunity to place any URL of your choice on 3 different traffic rotators for unlimited daily traffic every day for the next 12 months. We've never had an offer like it before. Just think about it. $1 single dollar gets you traffic from not just one traffic rotator, not just one traffic source, but 3 different traffic sources. Starting with the brand new traffic source that we've just discovered, and that is the $1 Black Friday bundle traffic. So every single day you will get traffic to any URL of your choice from this rotator. You'll also get traffic every day from our bestseller of 2025, which is Super Big 10 traffic. Again, traffic to any URL of your choice to this rotator. And to cap it all off, we're also going to give you traffic from our all-time bestseller, Place Your Link 25, our best-selling traffic product that has now sold almost 5,000 copies. We're going to give you traffic from that every day as well, that amazing traffic source that includes some of my own personal traffic from my own personal mailing lists. Put it all together, and providing you pick it up during this Black Friday launch period, you'll be able to get all of that for $1 single dollar. Daily traffic from the daily traffic from the $1 Black Friday bundle rotator, daily traffic from the $1 Super Big 10 traffic rotator, and daily traffic from the Place Your Link 25 rotator. All of that for just $1 single dollar to any URL of your choice. We've never done an offer like it before. You'll never see another Black Friday offer like this one. So for just $1 single dollar, pick it up, get daily traffic to that URL of your choice every day for the next 12 months from those 3 different traffic sources. We'll see you inside the members area.